This is the second of 4 videos showing how the spreadsheet Excel might be used to explore this Ulster Rugby dataset. And question 4 is, what is the average age of the squad? Now, I can't answer this question yet because I only have the players' year of birth, not their ages. I'll need 2 steps to find their ages. Step 1 will be to give these years in full, so 88 will become 1988, 93 will become 1993, and so on. And to do this, I'll insert a new column alongside this one, and I'll call it, let's see, insert column, I'll call it 1900 plus year. Just make it a little wider. There we are. I'll enter this calculation into the first cell, equals 1900 plus, and then click cell F2. Press return, and there it is. Rodney Ayew was born in 1988. If I reselect this cell and move the cursor into the bottom right corner of the cell until the cursor changes shape into a little black plus, there we are. Click and drag all the way to the bottom and release. And by the way, this process is called filling down. And there are all the other players' years of birth in full. Next, let's find their ages. This year is 2017, so I need to select each player's year of birth from 2017. Again, I'll insert a new column here. I'll call this one age, and enter the first cell, and I'll type equals 2017 minus, and then click the adjacent number 1988 and press return. And there it is, Rodney Ayew is 29 years old. If I reselect the cell and again fill down to the bottom of the table and release, and there are all the players' ages. And now, knowing their ages, I'm able to work out the average age of the players. There are 2 popular averages, the mean and the median. So let's start with the mean. There's a formula for the mean, and I know it's one of the statistical functions. So if I click at the top of the screen, the Formulas tab, I need to click More Functions, and there are the statistical functions. Come across, and the one I want is this one, the average. Equals average, open brackets, H2 colon H48. Inside the brackets is the range of values to be averaged. Excel has had an intelligent guess that this is the range I want, H2 to H48, which in fact is correct. So press return, and there is the mean displayed to lots of decimal places. I don't need that much precision, so I'll reselect that cell, go back into the Home tab at the top of the screen, and then come across to this button here, which is Decrease Decimal. And I'll keep clicking that until I get down to something sensible. There we are, 1 decimal place is sensible. So the mean age of the players is 27.3. I've just noticed I've called that mean. Let me try and correct that spelling. That's more like it. The next one is median. And I need to find the median command. So again, if I go into Formulas, More Functions, Statistical, and I'll need to scroll down, and there is the median command. And again, as you can see, the median command contains a range, and again Excel has made a guess at the range I want, H2 to H49. But actually H49 is this one here, the mean, and I don't want that. I want it to stop at age 48. So I'm going to click into the formula, remove the 9 and put in an 8 and press return. And there's the answer. The median age of these players is 26.